Welcome back, subscribers, to yet another video in the introductory section for GCSE economists, and today we're looking at the supply curve. As you can see, it is a straight line rather than a curve, and as I think I mentioned in my demand video, the demand curve in GCSE and A-level, we tend to deal with straight lines. If you're lucky enough to study this at a higher level, then you'll look at the curves, which is super interesting. And this is super interesting as well, actually. So, supply. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this needs to be defined. So when you're learning your economics, make sure you learn the definition of supply. So the quantity of a good and or service that a firm is ready and able to supply at a given price over a given period of time. So you need to learn that, you need to commit that to your memory bank, so that whenever you get an exam question, or maybe a multiple choice question, or a state question, or an explain question, you've got that definition just readily to hand. So, same axes as before. So we've got price on the y-axis, we've got quantity supplied on the x-axis. But as you can see in this instance, the relationship is we have an upward sloping curve. So low price, relatively low quantity supplied, high price, much higher quantity supplied. And the reason for that, ladies and gentlemen, is that we've got to think about, well, who is doing the supplying in this instance? So in the majority of instances, the supplying will be done by firms. And firms will have a much bigger incentive, as I'm sure you're already cottoning on to this, they'll have a much bigger incentive to supply a good into the market if they are going to receive a higher price for it. Hence the reason why at a low price we get relatively low supply, and at a higher price much higher supply. Now, if you've watched my demand video, and I hope you all have, then you will have seen that there is an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. So as price rises, quantity demanded falls. In this instance, as price rises, the quantity supplied also rises. So we've got a positive relationship here. As one is rising, so too is the other. And as that happens, of course, the quantity supplied increases. If the price goes in the other direction, then quantity supplied will drop back. So if price fell from PB to PA, quantity supplied will move along back to QA. And really, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I'm going to say on supply for now. So look forward to bringing you the next video. If you're not already a subscriber, ladies and gentlemen, then please do hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so that you get all of the latest updates. Bye for now.